We have a uniform rules, kasi we apply the same rules with the areas. But if you notice, we have different disciplinary authority over an administrative case over the PNP. Aside from the NAPOLCO being the overall supervisory agency, we have the RIAS, the Ombudsman to also take cognizance of the case. We have the CLEB, and different commanding officers of the PNP. And we follow the same rules. But we have also provided in the rules the same with regular courts regarding forum shopping, wherein the complainant shall choose which disciplinary authority he or she is he or she wants to file a case where she or he is comfortable with. She has the option. Now, in this particular case, since already RIAS has taken cognizance of the jurisdiction over the said case, we are only, for our part, we closely monitor the progress of the case. And it's already been explained, no, na ito, depende kasi yun sa administrative case ito, depende sa evaluation ng evaluator regarding kailangan bang i-preventively suspend at saka yung severity ng case. Kasi nga, take note, ang side dito ay internal domestic relations between the wife and the husband. So we have to also take into consideration the privacy, whether or not we want it to be filed in a particular forum or what the actions to be taken. Kaya nga on the part of the RIAS, napansin nyo, kailangan mo lang meron talagang complainant. Eh, baka naman ayaw nila, social media lang napalaki, ayaw naman ng mga complainant, gusto nila protect the privacy, so we expect the way mangyayari. But for our part, same with other big cases, talagang kailangan namin monitor kasi nire-report namin sa nagbibigay kami ng update to Secretary ng DILG, which is also the NAPOLCO chairman, kung ano yung mga malalaking cases kasi they're so much concerned with this particular incidents, especially against violence against women and children. Malaking topic po sa Philippines.
Okay, follow.